Good morning. All right, let's pause the song. Welcome, students. Today is March, let me check what day it is. March 26th. It's a Thursday. We are now day 4, week 1 of distance learning here at New Brighton Middle School. I'm in my remote classroom here in SoCal. Got my puffy jacket on. It's cold today a little bit. Sun is out. I wanted to do an outside lesson today, but it just wasn't quite warm enough. Don't have a lot of time because I have my Zoom meeting at 11. I still would like to pull off a live video, maybe next week. During the Zoom meeting, we will also be doing a live YouTube video. Would love to get 1,000 subscribers. That way I can use my phone for the live, which I think is really the only option at this point. Anyway, lots to do today. First off, I want to just talk about some general news. We're getting word that school closure will most likely be continued into May. That's just what we're hearing, which is unfortunate. That's a whole nother month and some change. We do have spring break coming up, and you will not have any distance learning during spring break, so we have that to look forward to. Mr. Ryberg has been doing a lot of work recording the numbers for Santa Cruz County in terms of how many people have gotten the virus, and it looks like the curve is flattening, and that's awesome. And that's because we're all doing the right thing. We're staying home. We're only going out if it's absolutely essential, and when we do that, we reduce the rate of infection. So keep doing what you're doing, and I think we'll get through this just fine. All right, so today's word. Today I put on my computer so I don't have to look backwards using that muscular system to twist. You're gonna feel that later. Anyway, there are at least 600 muscles that give your body the ability to move and bend like this, okay? Some muscles are attached to the bones and can be moved voluntarily, while others, like the heart, contract and relax. So some of our muscles we can't control, some of our muscles we can. I have a picture here. The last time I went to the doctor took that picture for me. I'm not sure why I'm looking backwards. I have it here right in front of me. But yeah, so we're working our way through all these body systems. Just an intro to each one. Later on, we're going to talk way more about how they're going to all connect together. Your assignment today is the same as yesterday, to continue those questions in chapter 16.2. Tomorrow I'll give you your last assignments of the week, which is chapter 16.3. And it only has, I think I only assigned 5 questions for that. Next week, I'm still bringing it together, but what I've done traditionally this time of year when we're in school is I distribute a body system and you make a presentation on one. I think I'm still going to do that. I'm still going to think you'll put a Google slide together, and we might even get a chance to have you present that during a Zoom meeting because we can share a screen. So I think that is what we will do either next week or the week after that. It's been a lot of fun in class to do that, and we take notes on it. So I think I'll probably do that. In addition, I think we're going to do a couple of Newsella articles next week and all that. All right, so if you have any questions about the muscular system, use those muscles and send me an email or ask during our Google Meet or Zoom Meet that's happening in about 10 minutes here because it's 10:50, so I don't have a lot of time to talk today. I do have it's not an auction, a raffle of this wonderful Pikachu print that I found online and printed. So what I had said was last video, post in the comments your Chromebook number, and I'll give it to you that way. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my dice here. 6-sided casino dice from Harvey's at Lake Tahoe. Nice purplish color here. I'm going to decide which period it's going to come from. So there are 6 sides on a dice. It's a cube. As you can see here, 1 through 6. I have 5 periods. I don't have a first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, I don't have a 5th. 7 will be 1. Okay, and if I roll a 5, then nobody wins today. Okay? All right, so let's see what we get. It's a 6. What did I say 6 was? I think 6 was 6th period. So this will come out of 6th period. So on my Google Classroom, I'm going to go to 6th period, yesterday's lecture, and I have exactly 0 comments. So, okay, All right, well, let's do it again. 5. Ha! What did that mean? That meant nobody got it. So that's 2 strikes. Baseball should have started today, so we'll do 3 strikes. If we get a 5 or a 6, then we're done. But if we get another period, we'll see. And it's a 2. Second period. I know someone in second period commented. I mean, I'm getting 100 views on these videos, so go ahead and Google Classroom and comment. If you're a public watcher out there, then email me a number and we'll do something with that. All right, so second period, I had 4 people respond. Ava warned me that I might get copyrighted for the song Sunny by Boney M, which I did, which all that means is I'm not allowed to sell ads, which was one of my plans, so that is going to get scuttled unless I just don't play that song in that video. So thank you, Ava, for the heads up, because that did happen. All right, so Eric, Perez Stu Money, number 19, and Taylor McDonald, number 18. So to get to 18, I'm going to grab 6 dice. 6 times 6 is 36. I don't need that many. 4 times 6, 24. No, that's not going to be fair because Taylor's lower. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to give Taylor numbers 4, 5, and 6, and Stu numbers 1, 2, and 3. So this is between Stu and Taylor MC. Here we go, MC Taylor, and it was a 1. Who did I give 1 through 3? I don't remember. I feel like I gave Stu 1 through 3. I'll have to go back through this and watch, but as of now, I'm going to say that Stu Perez won this wonderful Pikachu. Or Stu, if you'd rather have one of those cats, I can reprint you a cat. But anyway, or it might have been Taylor. I'm not sure. I need to write this stuff down. Anyway, so tomorrow is Friday. Today is Friday Junior. And I'm excited for tomorrow because we're going to do the weather tomorrow. We're going to do my afraid not joke, which I just said the punchline, but you've all heard it before. Anyway, so that'll be fun. I did look up some science jokes here because when I'm drawing my jokes, I'm just not there. Second period knows what this is like. Second period is my guinea pig class, and most things don't go as well as I like, but 3 through 7, they do a lot better. So you're kind of all second period now, which is fine. Just reading these off of here, these are pretty funny. I can't pronounce that one. All right. What do you do with a sick chemist? Sick like they're not feeling well. No, like, it's a sick chemist. That was a great chemist. No. If you can't helium like the element, and you can't curium, another element, you might as well bury them. That's a good one. That was from our periodic table of elements assignment from last year's 7th grade. How many biologists does it take to change a light bulb? ... Where's my punchline? Oh, I gotta open. Oh, there's no punchline. So I guess we'll fill in the blank on that one. Water? It was polar. Oh no, sorry, I didn't read the top part. Why did the bear dissolve in water? It was polar. Okay, I understand it's like a polar bear, but why would the bear dissolve in water? Oh, was the bear polar or was the water polar? Because they're both polar. I guess if something's polar and it goes in water, it dissolves because they're both polar. I don't know, it's a bipolar joke, is what that is. All right, so I did my giveaway, not an auction, it was a raffle. Tomorrow, we will have another vocab word. We will go over some of our work. We will hear the note, the not joke. We will do the weather. So I'm looking forward to Friday. I'm also looking forward to our Google Zoom meeting that is about to occur in 5 minutes. Remember, today is crazy hat day or fun hat day, cool hat day. Unfortunately, you probably will not be watching this video until after the Zoom. So tomorrow we will announce our theme for Friday, which I think will be purple and gold. So tomorrow wear your purple and gold in our Zoom meeting, and I will talk to you soon. Gotta get my song going. Mr. Dixon really wanted a spin and a double thumbs up ending. So I'm gonna give that to him right now. You gotta do a spin with the double thumbs up. So see you tomorrow.